Hi everyone, it's Denise Reed and welcome to my channel, Bramble Reed. If you're looking for all things papier-mâché, you have come to the right channel. This week we are looking at the papier-mâché earrings. And what I've done is just combined a couple of my tutorials, which I'll link at the end because I do want to perfect or at least learn how to properly make the roses. And I've included some metal bits, and also I wanted to show you the silicone mold that I received. So if you want to see how I create these earrings, keep on watching. Best creative DIY craft content. Subscribe to my channel and be sure to hit that bell to be notified when I upload a post every Tuesday. I have a Facebook page that is dedicated to DIY crafts that you are able to join. Now it's your turn. So for this week's tutorial, we are making the papier-mâché earrings, and basically I'm trying to perfect my rosebuds. These were the two favorites that I had, and I want to try and see if I can actually make it so that it's something that's uniform. I also received these. I'm not sure how I'm going to put them on yet. I'll show you at the time. I forgot to tell you too, if you want your swirl like that and not, you just have to twist it straight. Just kind of twist it. Comment down below and let me know if there's any techniques that you have for making the rosebud earrings. So guys, there's a couple of earring styles that I wanted to show you. So this is one of the leaf petals that I did. I created it too big, so then I just replicated it, and I thought it would be cool to have dangling earrings and then have the rosebud there. This was the design that I had for these earrings. So they went like that, and they would hold up with your rose here. But I actually broke it. That was the first one that you've seen. So what I did was, instead of, I went and I pushed it in to the earring so that this stays on here. I would pop it off and glue it in, and then you can put, I would put chain. I wouldn't use these. I think these are a little bit too heavy and clunky, but I would have chains, and you can put like beautiful colored rhinestone to pick up here, or Schwartzian crystals, just so that it has the color reflecting. Remember, if you're creating the rosebud earrings, if you don't want to put the UV resin on it, use it out of polymer clay, so that once it's hard, you don't have to do anything else with it, because it's hard to get the brushes inside to protect it. And then also make sure you do a light sand with your earrings. Now that you know how to make the papier-mâché earrings, I have written a guide on different designing platforms that will help you take your creative juices out of your head and put on a digital platform. I have included a list of tutorials that will help you understand these platforms better. You can download the guide at the link in the description box. Also, if you are interested in joining a group of creative minds like yourself, remember I do have that Facebook page where you are able to upload different crafts. You can check out the link in the description box. Check out any of my papier-mâché tutorials next, and my upcoming tutorial that will be posted next Tuesday. If you like the content, please feel free to subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and hit that like button. Also share the content with your family and friends. And thank you so much for watching. Have a fabulous week, and I will see you next Tuesday. Take care.